Hello guys, this is Shivacharan. Hope you are doing good. I'm also doing good. Thank you. This is south part of Hyderabad. This is called Kompally, South India. I have completed my 14 days of quarantine, guys, and I'm just going out. Today I have some work. I just go out and I just wanted to show you some part of my city. This is South India, Hyderabad. It's the capital city of South Telangana. I wanted to show you everything as it is, guys. I don't want to show you the best places. I just don't want to show you the worst places. This is how my city is. I just wanted to show you as it is. This is mix of industrial and residential area, guys. My place is completely like that. There are so many industries, there are so many factories, there are so many manufacturing companies, and also you can see the buildings, apartments, condos, and there are so many schools, very good schools, driving, shopping malls everywhere, guys. So this is way to my home from Kompally. You can have a look, guys, as it is. I'm just showing you in this video. Please enjoy this video and please give your comments. This is bypass road adjacent to national highway. You can see the national highway just behind in this video. That is national highway 44. When it rains, roads will get blocked in many places, in many part of Hyderabad. This way is very clean and clear, guys. It is a small way, but still it's a clean way to home. Some part of Hyderabad is very good, guys. When it rains, you cannot see water in 10 minutes. Clear roads and very good drainage system. When it rains, water will vanish just like that in just minutes. Watch this video till end, guys, and please give me your comments. Your comments are very much important to me for my next videos. I have booked a Uber to go home, distance 8 kilometers and charges 159 rupees, which is about $2. You can see a lot of open land which belongs to government and private. There is so much place left in Hyderabad for lease. People in Hyderabad choose a lot of real estates because they can make a lot of money on the lands and the condos, apartments. It's a very good business in Hyderabad. Hope all over India. Don't forget to comment, guys. Whatever your mind strikes, please give me a comment so that I can get better in my next videos. Please help me for that.
right onto Youth Boulevard Main Road, Suchitra Road. In 150 meters, turn left onto Youth Boulevard Main Road. Take the next left onto Youth Boulevard Main Road, then turn right to stay on Youth Boulevard Main Road. Take the next right to stay on Youth Boulevard Main Road. In 400 meters, turn left. Take the next left, then continue straight.
This way is crazy, trust me guys. This is just near my home. The road is really crazy. You can just see how we go.
Continue straight, then you will arrive at your destination.
So guys, thank you so much. I have reached my home. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and comment your opinions on my videos. Thank you so much. See you in my next video guys. Thank you so much for watching. Take care guys. Keep watching my channel. Thank you so much. Bye bye.
You have arrived.
లోపలికి పోదు కొంచెం ముందుకు మొత్తం పడుతుంది మళ్ళీ